Hey, it's John here, and what I want to share with you today is the strategy that I use to create video content. Now, it's taking me some time to work out that this is the best way to create content, at least for me. In the past, what I would do is I would create videos one by one. I'd get my phone, my camera set up, get the lighting right, figure out what I was going to say, and then I ended up doing several takes until I was happy with the result. By the time I edited, rendered, and uploaded, a simple 3-minute video clip could take 90 minutes to create. It was a slow, painful process. What I found is that by batch recording several videos together in one sitting, I can accomplish a lot more. Another excellent way is by filming live content where you really don't have a chance to script out the answers or over-prepare or overthink anything. Now, I haven't personally done any live recordings just yet, but I will be doing some very soon. So I know some people might be thinking, this is too much pressure. I wouldn't know what to say, or I need to plan out my main points. And that's simply not true. Think of it this way. When a friend or colleague asks you a question, do you script out your answer? Of course you don't. You answer in a conversational way and have no problem coming up with the content. The only difference here is there's a camera rolling. So with enough practice, you won't even know the camera is there, or you'll learn to think of the camera as just another listener. Instead of looking into a black lens, you'll be thinking that the camera is just another person. So by batching the content, you'll get into kind of a rhythm, a flow. So by the time you've gotten through 3 or 4 videos, you'll really have, you'll be in a groove, if you will. And you'll be able to speak a lot easier off the cuff. Lastly, another way to come up with fresh content and ideas is by scouring your social media accounts for questions. By having your audience come up with the content ideas, you'll never run out of ideas. The trick with all this is simply just get started. Get started. I don't know, don't come up with all kinds of reasons and excuses about why you can't have a daily video content strategy. Things, I don't know enough yet to be able to talk confidently on my topic, or I don't yet have the right equipment in place, or right now it's not a good time, I have too many things going on, and those are just all excuses, avoiding the uncomfortable. So if you listen to, those little excuse making voices in your head, it's going to keep you broke and it's going to keep your business small. So imperfect immediate action always wins out over planned or staged video content. So thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye for now.